More than see the post for up here. First of all, congratulations to Sodo Igbo. Second, congratulations to the people of the Yoruba nation. God go bless you now. Anything gonna put in our hand, it go work. Because gonna stand by Sodo Igbo. God this man they fight for our freedom. Now, I just want to explain. See this life here, just come from good family, come from good home, and always make sure see you get good name for your community and you get good name for your region. Now, everyone of us remember the fight between Sodogbo and late President Buhari, because Buhari tried to arrest this guy, Sodogbo, because of say he did fight for the freedom of the Yoruba nation. Buhari blacklist this guy, declare Sodogbo wanted. He do everything possible to make sure say if he arrest Sodogbo, but due to the power of the Yorubas, due to the powers of the Yoruba politicians, Sodogbo will get freedom of movement. Today, President Tinubu don remove the name of Sodogbo from blacklist. This guy now cannot travel to anywhere around the world without any threats. Now, I get something to talk. You see, the case of Nnamdi, that useless Biafra man, that stupid IPOB, that murderer. You see, you dey fight for the freedom of Biafra. You dey fight for your people, but the same people wey see you dey fight for, you dey kill them. You kill thousands of Igbos, you kill thousands of Fulani Hausa, you kill thousands of Yorubas, different type from different states. You kill them. All the names say you dey fight for Biafra. But my question is this: if you kill everybody finish, who you want governor? Who you want? You say they fight for the freedom of Biafra. The same people we talk you they fight for, you declare them sit at home. People go to the shop, people go to the market, they say your men, your soldier, they go enter the market, they go shoot people, they go knife people, they go kill everybody. And you say you dey fight for the freedom of those people. You no go ever better for you for this life. The blood of the innocent people, as the way you don't kill for this country, they will always speak for your head. You no go better for you, and you no go better for any Igbo man, any Igbo woman wey dey support the evil wey this Nnamdi do. You no go see better for una too. Now, I get all that to talk again. Ever since we Sodogbo they fight for the freedom of the Yoruba nation, how many Yorubas, youth or mother, father, children, you don't hear see Sodogbo don't kill? Sodogbo not kill anyone. Sodogbo soldiers, Sodogbo boys, youth, they not kill any Yoruba citizen. That's not to tell you see, Sodogbo na real freedom fighter. As in, you don't ever hear Sodogbo don't declare status. So okay, anybody for the Yoruba land will not respect me, kill him. You know they, because Sodogbo they fight for the freedom of the Yorubas. You claim see you dey fight for the freedom of the Igbos. When I use the kiddy, as in, I see you the kiddy Igbos, you know go better for you for this life. You know go better for you. That priest distance where you did, you could die first.
Okay, so this person is talking about Sunday Igboho and Nnamdi Kanu. He posted one picture, say the two Sunday Igboho is Sunday Igboho in prison right now. I don't think so. I think he has been freed for a very long time now, since last year or so. So, but he's sure saying that, Sunday Igboho, first of all, congratulations to him, and that the people of Yoruba, they stood by him, and he fought because he's fighting for their freedom and all of that. Not like Nnamdi Kanu that was buying people. He's a murderer. He's this. He's that. That the same people that he's fighting for, he'll be buying them. He'll be killing them. They'll be in their shop. You send your soldiers to go and beat them up, to go and buy them. Say unlike Sunday Igboho that was like fighting, but he didn't do anything. He didn't do anything violence just to get the freedom that he's fighting for. Even though we've not gotten that freedom, but at least he didn't buy people. But me, I don't know. I think it was Simon Ekpa that was really giving that order to buy people. Not Nnamdi Kanu. Because when Nnamdi Kanu was arrested that time, or when he was in incarceration, there was a time he was arrested before he went to Kenya, and then they went to repatriate him from Kenya. When Simon Ekpa took over, and Simon Ekpa was the one giving all those instructions, sit at home and all of that. And I don't know. So, Nnamdi Kanu said some things, but you didn't see him physically go and buy his own people. I don't know, but he's comparing the two of them. It's just like comparing the two leaders, He say, Amoya says you spoke with sense. Adebayo says you make sense. At the other day says Igboho fought with wisdom, not by power or violence. While Nnamdi Kanu depends on buying and massacre, he's taught that he can win without wisdom. Power without wisdom is useless. Okay? Prince Olade says God bless and more wisdom. Doban says good talk, bro. Expensive says wise talk, bro. Okay? Oromia says God bless your wisdom. Latte says a big amen. Expensive IBB says if you want to win the government, you don't have to fight the government and buy the people to fight for freedom. Kanu is not a leader. Wow. Reuza says they are not serious and they fight for their pocket. At Ultra says Yoruba is different from Igbos in terms of bringing knowledge, wisdom and understanding. Kari says you've spoken well, my brother. MMM says you are very correct. God bless you. God will bless you, my brother, for speaking up and saying it as it is. Pure, undiluted truth. Mr. A61 says he made a very big mistake for him to do that. At 60 says, and so it's supposed to be, Northerners free their own too. Okay. At Texera says, as a matter of fact, he was supposed to be fighting during the Kwara crisis, but he couldn't because he was still blacklisted. And now, not by protesting or fighting around, we Yorubas have responsible elders and we listen to them. All thanks to God and all our kings. Poppy Kedi says, why are you talking in truth? Your calmness and they refuse to say the truth and correct the guy. They lied and lied. Now is in prison for many atrocities. It is well. Daniel says, old news, Igboho they chill for Germany because I know that they released Igboho since. Why is he not saying congratulations Igboho and all of that? It is well. More wisdom, bro. God bless you, my brother. Honestly, you are one among the thousands. More wisdom. Okay, my listeners, don't forget to like, to share, to subscribe. Thank you for listening. See you some other time. Bye.